A person's target heart rate is the number of beats per minute that brings the most aerobic benefit to his or her heart. The target heart rate for a 20-year-old is 150 beats per minute. For a 60-year-old, it is 120 beats per minute. Graph the data and determine an equation for the related line. Let A equal age and R equal target heart rate in number of beats per minute. Let's begin by graphing the data. The data in this case are the 2 points 20, 150, and 60, 120. This would be the age and the beats per minute. We draw a graph that will allow us to do this. We have the age and the beats per minute, and we graph 20, 150, and 60, 120, and we draw a line through those points. Now we're asked to find the equation of this line. To find the equation of the line, the first thing we need to know is the slope. To find the slope, we subtract the vertical coordinates to find the rise. That'd be 150 minus 120. And then we subtract the x coordinates to find the run. That would be 20 minus 60. That gives us 30 over negative 40, which simplifies dividing both sides by 10, or top and bottom by 10, gives us a slope of negative 3/4. Now in order to find the equation of the line, we can use the point slope form, or the point slope form, and that would give us, instead of y, we use r. So we have r minus the r coordinate here, 150, equals the slope times, and instead of x, we'll use a minus 20. Simplifying, we have r minus 150 equals, multiplying here, negative 3/4 a plus, a negative times a negative will be a positive. We have 3/4 times 20, which would be 60 over 4. That's 3 times 20 over 4. We have r minus 150 equals negative 3/4 a plus 15, since 60 divided by 4 is 15. Finally, let's solve for r. Adding 150 to both sides, we have r equals negative 3/4 a plus 165. And this is an equation of this line. Calculate the target heart rate for a 36-year-old. We have the equation that we found, r equals negative 3/4 a plus 165. When the age is 36, we need to find what r is. So we substitute 36 for a. We have negative 3/4 times 36 plus 165. 3/4 times 36, if we multiply this out, that gives us negative 3 times 36 over 4 plus 165. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So that gives us negative 27 plus 165, or 138. So for a 36-year-old, the target heart rate is 138 beats per minute.